Hello friends, today in this video we are watching the latest cabinet wash basin design ideas and later we will discuss what will price for making this kind of cabinet wash basin. So friends, if you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. So let's begin the video. A cabinet wash basin is more than just functional feature in bathrooms or hallways. It plays crucial role in both aesthetic and practical. And here is why choosing the right cabinet wash basin for your house and important. It's provide hidden storage for toiletries and cleaning supplies or other essentials. It's help to keep bathrooms clutter-free and organized. A stylish cabinet wash basin enhance overall decor and elegance of the space. It's available in various modern and contemporary and traditional and luxury designs to match different interior themes. It's ideal for small bathrooms. Its combination of sink with storage. It's help to the optimize the space efficiently, especially in compact of apartments or living rooms. And it's keeps plumbing and draining pipes hidden. It's create neat and easy to clean setup. It's reduced the chance for dust, water stains of open surfaces. Cabinet wash basins are popular choice for Indian homes. It's offering blend of functionality and aesthetic. They provide essential storage space while enhance the bathroom's overall design. And here is an overview of the different types of cabinet wash basin designs and with approximate price ranges. The first one is the wall-mounted cabinet wash basins. These basins are affixed directly on the wall, saving the floor space and giving the sleek and modern look. The price range starting at 7,000 to high-end price is the 18,000 rupees. Its Plantex wall mount of vanity cabinet with wash basin. Its price is the 7,000. And montage waterproof bathrooms and vanity with two-door storage available on. And another one is a floor standing cabinet wash basins. These units rest on the floor and often comes with multiple drawers or shelves providing ample storage. The price range is the 10,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees. Example premium HDHMR plywood vanity with wash basin. Its price at 10,499 available in online platforms. And Dajal Kitchen BW or plywood vanity wash basin. This cabinet available in 15,000 available in Amazon. An under counter cabinet with wash basin. The basin is installed beneath the countertop. It's offering seamless look and additional counter space. The price is the 8,999 rupees and 12,000 rupees. Example granite look under counter wash basin with cabinets. The price is the 9,000 rupees and modern under counter wash basin and cabinet. It's approximately 12,000 rupees. Corner cabinet wash basin. It's designed to the fix into the corners. These are ideal for maximize the space in smaller bathrooms. The price ranges the 7,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees. It's space saving corner wash basin. This cabinet around 7,500 rupees and compact corner vanity unit with wash basin approximately 9,500 rupees. Glass cabinet with wash basins. Featuring glass elements, these basins add a touch of elegance and modernity to the bathrooms and living rooms. Its price range is the 12,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees. Glass top and vanity cabinet with wash basin price at 12,500 rupees. Frosted glass with basin wooden cabinets approximately 18,000 rupees. Ceramic cabinets with wash basins. The ceramic cabinets with wash basins paired with cabinets offering durability and timeless look. The price range at 7,842 rupees and 10,900 rupees. Example Dazzle Kitchen Modular or BWR plywood vanity. The wash basin cabinet available for 7,842 rupees. Dazzle Kitchen Modular or BW or Plywood Vanity Wash Basin Cabinet White. It's priced at 10,900 rupees. When selecting cabinet wash basin design, you can consider factors such as bathroom size, storage, and living room. It's need to the design preference and budget. And here is an advisable to explore multiple options and customers of to make informed and decision. And it's ideal for small bathrooms and combination its shrink with storage and its plumbing and draining pipes hidden. Its customizable and versatile option comes in different types of materials wood, MDF, marble, ceramic and finishes, matte and glossy and texture. Can be customized with drawer shelves for contemporary and added functionality. Enhance and durable protection. Protect the plumbing features from water damage and wear. High quality materials ensure long lasting